It is a beauty of Meera's writing that images in almost every other lyric are different. She wrote more than 200 lyrics. It's not easy for a poet to go on inventing like this unless he be a Shakespeare or a John Keats. I have taken up in this video to narrate to you three of her lyrics which obviously deal with Krishna, his arrivals and departure, in the first one she talks of him as a wanderer who has arrived as a guest one day and then gone away, deserting her without telling where has he gone. Such is the situation with any devotee. The thoughts of God come and go. If you visualize God in a particular form, that vision also appears and disappears. Writes Meera, कोई दिन याद करोगे रमता राम अतीत, आसन मांड अडिग होए बैठा, याही भजन की रीत। मैं तो जानू जोगी संग चलेगा, छोड़ गया अध बीच, आत न दिसई जात न दिसई, जोगी किसका मीत। मीरा कहे प्रभु गिरधर नागर, शरणन आवई चीत। She is unable to forget Krishna the wanderer. She calls him a wanderer. Ramata Ram, who arrived as a guest one day. Immovable he sat, his legs folded as is the norm for a guest in India in those days when sofa sets were not used. I thought he is there forever. The poet believed that she had achieved her purpose, that now Krishna has come and he will not go away. However, she writes, he deserted me even before I could worship him to my heart's content. And then she taunts him. She rebukes him. She says he is not a friend to anyone. Nobody knows of his arrival or departure. A vision of God may come to a devotee at one time and disappear at another time. That is why they say, go on worshipping. Satat sadhana, continuous worship, uninterrupted and endless. She says, he is not a friend to anyone. Nobody knows of his arrival or departure. Yet concentrate on him with devotion. Our awakening lights at his feet. This is total submission. In another of her lyrics, she calls him a trickster. Dhokebaz, cheat. She loved him. She had the right to call him anything. God doesn't get angry with the devotees. Dhutara jogi ekar su has bol. जगत बदीत करी मनमोहन, कहा बजावत ढोल। अंग बभूत गले मृग छाला, तू जन गुड़िया खोल। सदन सरोज बदन की शोभा, उभी जों को पोल। सेली नाद बभूत न बटुयो, अजू मुनि मुख खोल। चढ़ती बेस नैन अनियारे, तू घर घर मत डोल। मीरा के प्रभु हरि अविनाशी, चेरी भई बिन मोल। I am a slave of yours without your paying any cost. But O trickster Krishna, smile at me. At least for once, with the beat of drum, I have announced to the world my love for you. जगत बदीत करी मनमोहन कहा बजावत ढोल. I have announced to the world my love for you, Krishna. Dressed in deer skin, you arrived with your body smeared in ashes. Kindly reveal yourself to your devotees. He came in camouflage. Your body glistens like a bouquet of lotus flowers. Restless for your attention, I admire your lovely cheeks. You act like a muni, although you do not carry a black thread around your neck, or a horn, or carry a bag on your shoulder. Say something, O ascetic. Who are you? You seem to be aging, yet your eyes are sharp and penetrating. Settle down. Cease your wanderings. Immortal Hari, I am here. Forever at your command. What noble thoughts. At times you can see as if she is thinking of Shiva arriving with his body smeared in ashes, dressed in deer skin at the door of Parvati to dissuade her not to insist on marrying him. That's a story told by Kalidas in Kumar Sambhavam, or it may be anybody else. In the third lyric which I am taking up, Meera describes the attributes of a true devotee. मीरा लाग्यो रंग हरी और न रंग अटक परी. चूड़ो मारे तिलक अरुमाला सील बरत सिंगारो. और सिंगार मारे दाय न आवे यो गुरु ज्ञान हमारो. कोई निंदो कोई बिंदो महत्वे गुण गोविंद का गास्या. जिन मार्ग मारा साध पधारे उन मार्ग मैं जास्या. चोरी न करिस्या जीव न सतास्या. कोई करसी मारो कोई गज से उतर के खर नहीं चढ़िया. यो तो बात ना हुई. I live my life soaked in the color of Hari's devotion. There is no room for devotion otherwise. And there is no room for deviation from my faith. I learned from my Guru that the holy tilak on my forehead, the beads around my neck, good conduct and fasting are the ornaments of my body. And not just the bangles and necklaces of gold. Her mother-in-law, her sister-in-law, everybody wanted her to dress like a princess. She said, nothing doing. I am happy as it is. I am a sadhu. I need not put on any other shringar. और श्रृंगार मारे दाय ना आवे यो गुरु ज्ञान हमारो. My Guru has taught me this is the way you should live. Unmoved by calumny or fear of disapproval, writes Meera, I sing of Govinda's virtues. Following my Guru's teachings, I do not steal nor harm any creature. I fear no harm. I have done no wrong. I have not exchanged a life of riches with that of penury or conduct ignoble. In Gita, Krishna narrates the qualities of a devotee. The same were described by the poet Narasimha Mehta in words which are sung in India everywhere. वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे. पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान न आने रे. A Vaishnav, true devotee of the Lord, is one who knows the pain of others. Help those who are in sorrow without letting pride enter his mind. सकल लोक माँ सहुने वंदे, निंदा ना करे केनी रे. वाच काच मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी तेरी रे. The devotee tolerates and respects the entire world. He does not belittle anyone. Keep his words, action and thoughts pure. The mother of such a soul is blessed indeed. समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागी, पर स्त्री जेने मातरे. जिया थकी असत्य न बोले, पर धन नव झाली हाथ रे. The devotee sees everything equally, renounces greed and avarice, respects all women as his mother, whose tongue knows not the taste of falsehood till the last breath, never touches the property of others. मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जेने, दृढ़ वैराग्य जेने मन मान रे. राम नाम शू ताली लागी, सकल तीरथ तेने तन मान रे. He does not succumb to worldly attachments. He does not attach himself to worldly pleasures. Ever on his lips is Lord Rama's holy name. All places of pilgrimage are within him. All the bhakti poets, including Meera, Kabir, and later Narsi, have followed the same path of devotion, and devotion making a human being better, a better citizen, better and nice to his neighbors, his friends, his relatives. We ought to try to follow these precepts. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.